If you are still writing emails, editing videos, or doing manual research in 2026, you are falling behind. Fast. The people making the most money right now aren't working harder, they are using artificial intelligence to do the heavy lifting for them. Today, I am going to show you 5 AI tools that will instantly save you 20 hours a week. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for tool number 5 because it basically runs an entire business for you. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn how to leverage technology to work less and earn more, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right into the tools. Tool number 1 is Manus AI. Forget basic chatbots. Manus is an autonomous AI agent that actually executes tasks for you. Need to plan a complex business trip? Done. Need to scrape the web for the best prices and negotiate? Done. Need to build a website or analyze your business spending? Manus does it autonomously. It is like having a full-time executive assistant that never sleeps. Check the link in the description to try it out. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs. If you ever need voiceovers for presentations, ads, or YouTube videos, ElevenLabs is the undisputed king. It generates voices so realistic that you cannot tell they are AI. You can even clone your own voice with just a 2-minute sample. This alone saves hours of recording and editing audio. Tool number 3 is InVideo AI. Video content is mandatory for marketing, but editing takes forever. With InVideo, you just type in a prompt or paste a script, and it generates a fully edited video with premium stock footage, transitions, and subtitles in minutes. It turns a 6-hour editing job into a 5-minute coffee break. Tool number 4 is Notion AI. You probably know Notion as a workspace, but their integrated AI turns it into a second brain. It can summarize meeting notes, draft project proposals, and organize your chaotic thoughts into actionable to-do lists instantly. And finally, tool number 5, the game changer, Zapier. While not purely a generative AI, Zapier is the glue that connects all your other tools. By setting up automated workflows, you can have your emails automatically sent to an AI to draft replies, which are then sent to your team. It automates the boring stuff so you can focus on high-level strategy. If you implement just 2 of these tools, your productivity will skyrocket. I have linked all of these tools in the description below so you can start automating your life today. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.